How to create a talking avatar for free with Hugging Face AI. So if you want to create a talking avatar for free with Hugging Face AI, then what you need to do is you just need to simply go and search for Hugging Face AI. And here you just need to simply go with the website. Once you're on the website, now you just need to simply go with spaces option, which is on the upper side. Click on spaces, and here you need to search for a space. Winthony. So simply search for Winthony, and then you need to click on the sad talker. And once you're here, you just need to simply drop the image. So click on it, and then you just need to simply choose an image from your computer or your laptop. Once you've choose the image, you can simply adjust the pose style, expression, eye blink, and everything. You can simply adjust everything here. And then you need to scroll down and you need to drop your audio here, or you can drop your video, like reference video. If you have any reference video, you can use the reference video. And once you've used the reference video or audio and then the image, and once you've updated or just edited all of these, you can simply go with generate. Once you click on generate, it will generate the video. Once you've generated the video, now you need to right click on it, and once you right click on it, you will have an option of save video. You can simply save that video. So that's how you can create a talking avatar for free with Hugging Face AI. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.